Hey there, I'm Amy with Feller Roofing. You might know me as the Roofer Chick. I've had a vision for some time now of putting together an all-female roofing crew, and we at Feller feel it's time to start turning this dream into a reality. When I mention my dream, some people think it's the best thing they've ever heard of, and others scoff and say it will never work. I know it can work. I've seen it work with a crew in Canada, and there's no reason why it cannot work here. This dream of mine stems from the fact that I started as a member of a roofing crew back in 1994, so I know it can be done. I also spent 8 years as a single mom. I see so many women out there who struggle to make ends meet, and I know that a job in the trades is a great solution. Is it hard work? Sure. Does it pay well? Yes. I want to equip women with the tools and skills they need to be financially successful and also to take great pride in what they do. Currently, we are accepting resumes until September 10th through email. I am looking for 2 crew leads right now. We will train these women in the trade itself. Once the crew starts, these 2 crew leads will be expected to train others, work themselves, and also do administrative tasks such as tracking hours and materials. Feller Roofing is looking at paying between $12 and $20 per hour for these jobs. Pay will be based on skill acquisition and adeptness and level of responsibility. This would be an employee position where we offer benefits, including an IRA with company match, health insurance where we pay 50%, and also paid vacation. We are thinking right now that we will work 4 10-hour days, generally from 7 a.m. until 5 p.m. We have an amazingly fun company culture. We believe in collaboration and achieve goals as a team. We would expect you to wear pink. We have been in business for 8 years in New Braunfels, and we have a great reputation in our community. We are very active members of that community, and we take great pride in it. So what kind of chicks are we looking for? I'll tell you straight up, it is hard damn work. So we need women who know how to work hard. You need to be able to lift at least 50 pounds, and 75 might be even better. You should not be afraid of heights. There's no experience that is necessary. We'll train you in everything that you need to know, although of course if you have it, that would be really helpful. Our general timeline we are looking at is that we will start the 2 crew leads on September 28th, and we will train them for 4 weeks. Then we will start the general crew of about 6 women on October 26th. We will have a group open house / interview on October 3rd. So if you think you have what it takes to be a roofer chick, you can apply by sending your resume to this email. If you have more questions, feel free to call our office in New Braunfels or probably even comment below. I have to tell you, all of us here at Feller Roofing are super excited about trying to see if we can make this dream of ours a reality, and we'd love for you to be a part of it if that's something you think you might want to do.